Hey everyone, Jessica here, and thanks so much for downloading my brush sampler. And I hope you have a lot of fun playing with it. I'm just going to give you a little quick tour of the PSD file that comes with my sampler. And I set this up in a narrow sidebar design that's going to give you a visual guide of the brushes and color palettes that come with your sampler. And I actually gave you a little color sampler from one of my very latest Style Starts collections, which was inspired and sampled from colors in the last Fendi runway collection. So you've got some solid colors up here just to sample from to help you with your design. And then this is a preview of the 6 color palettes that come with your brush sampler. And then here you've got all of the brushes that come with your brush sampler and a nice visual guide, and they're labeled which collection they're from. And these are some of my favorite brushes from my best-selling collections. And as you can see here, you can see how it blends the color automatically for you. And then you've got a couple sample brushes from my wet paint studio. And just underneath here, you've got a preview of the wet paint palettes that I provided for you. And at the bottom, you've got the wet paint palettes that you sample from. So in the next 2 videos, I'm just going to give you a really quick guide to getting started. And then, of course, I'll have links to my in-depth tutorials. And you can go through and go really in depth with the brushes, but they're really easy to use. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun creating, and if you have any questions, just let me know down below.